Hi vlog, this is Vanessa for Zoe's Family Fun, and today we're gonna make some ube cake overload, and I tried it a couple of times and it was good, so we're gonna try to make it today. And for the ingredients, let's see what do we have here. So today, what we're gonna use is we're using this 8-inch cake pan, and I already pre-cut the parchment paper and I already put it inside. So this is the parchment paper, so I just trace them and then cut them. So we're using 2 of these, so I already have this one inside here. There you go. And then I got this cake strip. I bought it in Amazon. I don't remember how much though. It's not that expensive. So I already soak it in cold water. So we're gonna put it on the side of the cake pan. So it's prevent from burning the cake on the side. And then it's prevent from para, ang tawag dyan, mag-prevent yung pagdodong ng cake. To prevent from making it dome. So it's gonna be like flat on the top. So it's so easy to decorate. Because if you don't put something like this on the side, then nagdo-dome yung cake, and then it's so hard to decorate on top. You're gonna need to carrot on top. Unlike if you have this, it's more easier, so hindi siya nagdo-dome. Hindi ka na mahirapang mag-cut. So anyway, if you don't have this, what you can do, you could use some paper towel, and then cut mo siya ng mahaba. So para mag-fit siya sa ganito sa cake pan. And then, soak mo siya sa water, cold water actually. And then, mag-cut ka rin ng foil. Ilagay mo siya doon, then balutin mo siya sa foil. And then, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa side ng cake pan kung wala kang cake strips. On that way, at least it will prevent from burning and happening the dome. So, that's what you can do. Okay, so for the dry ingredients, so I already put 2 1/4 cups of cake flour. And then we're gonna put 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So we'll just mix it here. Okay. 3 teaspoons baking powder. And then 1/2 cup sugar. Let's mix everything here. We're all gonna sieve them together. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. So, try to sieve them, guys, like this. Easy. Okay, so for the wet ingredients, so we're putting 8 egg yolks. And then 1/2 cup of canola oil. Three-fourths cup whole milk. Or I just use some fresh milk. Zoe's fresh milk. I always use Zoe's fresh milk. And then 1/2 cup of ube halaya. So this is the one that I normally buy, just the one on the bottle. I bought it in Filipino store. You know, I don't have time to do that ube halaya, guys. Sorry. And then because we don't have that ube extract, so I'm just using this one. I bought it in Michael's, but I know you could buy it in Bulk Barn. It's a sweet shop. It's like purple color. It's a gel. So I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of this to make the color like some rich purple. Okay, just one moment, guys. I'm gonna use so 1 teaspoon of purple color, and then we're gonna mix it on the mixer. So it's pretty easy. plug it in. And then let's put it down. So when you first mix it, don't put it on a high yet. Do it a bit slowly, otherwise the flour will be overflowing. I have coverings for this, but I don't want to put it because I want to see it clearly. Yes, it's mixing. So you just mix it until all mixed. All the ingredients are all mixed. So sometimes I take this out, stop it and take it out, and then mix it with my spatula. Okay, so for the meringue, let's put 8 egg whites. And then 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. So we're gonna put it on the mixer again. Let's see. Okay, let's put it down. So I normally put it on high speed. So when the egg is to become foamy, we're gonna slowly add the sugar. Like 3/4 cup of sugar. So we'll see. It's already ready. Stick it. So turn it off. And then let's put it up like this. One moment. You could see when you put it up like this, medyo sumasama siya there. Seems to be a stiff pick. So I think it's all set now. Take this out. Okay. So we're gonna make it slowly here with our ube mixture. Just put it slowly. So we already put our meringue here. So we're gonna mix it by folding it like this. Make sure you don't over mix it. So just fold it slowly while mixing it until they're all mixed. Okay, so our cake mixture is all mixed, you could see. And now we're gonna put it inside the pot. But we're gonna use our cake strips, so to prevent the sides from burning. And because the sides normally cook faster than on the middle of the cake pan, so let's just make sure you take out the excess water on it. We just need the moisture of this one to prevent it from doming and then burning the sides. So put it in the side. I know it's a bit small for this size. So let's see. I'm gonna put it like this. It's like a belt basically. So let's prevent it from doming and burning the sides. There. This one, because it's like a belt, so you could adjust the size. So if you have a bigger one like this, so it's easy for you. There, so at least they're on the side. So we're gonna put it a bit on the middle. And then we'll use the other one. Hi. So we're gonna put the other one too. So let's bring it again, the other one. So I have 2 sets of this. So make sure when you buy 2 sets. So it's not too hard. The other one, the one that I'm saying to you, the one that you're folding the paper towel and then soak it in the water, and then you'll use some foil to put it inside it. Just make sure it fits here on the cake pan too. That works perfectly too. I don't have this one before. I'm normally using that foil and then paper towel soaking in the water, and it works perfectly fine. So the cake was perfectly okay, no dome, and then the side was not burned. So it's easy to layer the cake and design a cake, because if you don't put that, then it burns the cake, then it makes a dome on top of it. So the first one I did was like that. It was dome and then a bit burned on the side, but the cake was good, but it's just too hard for me to decorate and then put them together, like putting them on top, like layering them. So it's a bit hard because it's already done. So you're gonna have to cut on the top, and sometimes it's not too even. So that's how you do it. So now they have the cake strip. So we're gonna put it inside this one. So the cake mixture, I'll show it to you. So just put half. So kayo na pong magtansya. There. Just put half. Just the look of this ube cake is already yummy, so I'll show it to you. So, there.
I'm copying my mom. Bob.
Are you? Are you making something too, Zoe?
Yeah,
Zoe's
Bob.
just beside me. I mean, beside the camera, so.
So,
She's making some cake Play-Doh, and she said it was so good and yummy. Right, Zoe?
yeah.
Do you have a customer too?
I have only one customer too. You're my
They're all
customer, Bob. And Mommy's my customer. You're Bob my customer.
So, they're all set. I'll show you. It's here. So, we're gonna put it in the oven. I already preheat the oven to 340 degrees. So, now they're all set. So, already take out the parchment paper. So, this is how it looks like. So, we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool them down around 2 hours to 3 hours. And then when they're cooled down, so we're gonna do the frosting.